Alright, I got the Wucgea knife sharpening stone kit. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's check this thing out. Very nice packaging it comes in. Nice box. Protected pretty good. Let's open this up and see what we get inside here. Apparently everything we need in here, almost everything we need in here, is in this box. Alright, it gives you some instructions on how to use the sharpening stone. My suggestion is going to be that you watch a video on how to sharpen a knife before you give it a shot, and try on some of your cheaper kitchen knives first of all. So let's see what we get in here. We have, wow, the actual sharpening stones themselves. Look at that, nice packaged individually. So you got the 3000 on this one side, the 8000 on the other side, and a rubber base you set them in. So when you've done one side, you just flip it over and put the rubber base on the other side. Nice packaged, very protected. We've got the 400 1000 stone on here, which is what you're going to start with. We have a nice leather strap that comes with this. This can be used with the polishing compound to put a mirror finish on your knives when you're done, if that's what you're into. We have a flattening stone that comes with it. So if you get an uneven surface on the top of your whetstone, you can rub the flattening stone over top of here to put it back to a nice flat surface. We have an angle guide that comes with it if you want to put a 20-degree angle on your knife. A lot of videos I've watched, people just do it by hand and they're not using an angle guide, but there's one provided in the event that you should want to use one. And here we have a nice bamboo base that comes with it. Very nice, and it's got a rubber bottom on there, so that's kind of cool. Won't mess up your counter or whatever you're doing these in. Now, like I said, everything that you need, with the exception of the polishing compound that you might need if you want to put a mirror finish on here, everything you need comes with this kit. We've got the 400, the 1000, the 3000, and the 8000, each in their individual bases. And when you got them on these rubber bases, it sits right here in this nice bamboo base down here that's got a rubber bottom on it so it doesn't move while you're doing your thing. I would suggest watching some videos of some people sharpening knives before you do it, just so you can get a feel of how it's supposed to work. I know the concept of it is you'll soak these whetstones in water for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until you'll completely submerge them, wait till the bubbles are gone from coming out of the top of them, and then they're ready to use. Then you'll put the whetstone inside of this rubber bottom here, set it into the bamboo base, and you'll sharpen. You'll go 400, 1000, then you move over to the 3000, and then finish with 8000. And then if you so desire, you could put some polishing compound on this strap right here and polish your knives to a mirror finish. When your stone surface gets a little uneven, you can use this flattening stone to return it to a nice even surface. But if you're just getting into knife sharpening for the first time, or if you've been doing it a while and you're looking for an affordable sharpening kit to get those kitchen knives back into shape, check out the Wucgea knife sharpening kit. Everything you need in one package. Check it out.